Welcome to video session. This is Vidhyashree B, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE Data Science, Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science. Today my topic is Introduction to Machine Learning. The flow of presentation includes introduction, what is data, how do we split data in machine learning, different forms of data, types of machine learning, features of machine learning, roles of a machine learning engineer, differences between AI and ML, and applications of machine learning. Let us see one by one. Let us see what is machine learning. Machine learning, it is one of the subset of artificial intelligence that mainly focuses on developing systems that learn or improve the performance based on the data they ingest. The artificial intelligence, we already know, it is one of the broad word that refers to system or machines that resembles human intelligence. And let us see what is the definition of machine learning. We already know that is a machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Here in the machine learning, the machines are able to learn or imitate the human intelligence without any program being explicited. ML is one of the most existing technologies that one would have ever come across. Before going to the types of machine learning, let us see what is data. Data plays a very important role in machine learning. Data is a crucial component in the field of machine learning. It refers to the set of observations or the measurements that can be used to train a machine learning model. The quality and the quantity of data available for training and testing plays a significant role in determining the accuracy and performance of the machine learning model. Let us see how the data is divided. The data is divided into two types. One is labeled data and unlabeled data. What is unlabeled data? Labeled data includes the data which consists of a labeled tag, and unlabeled data, the data which does not contain any labels or target variables. The information is nothing but a processed data, the collection of facts, information, and other skills that are acquired through that becomes a knowledge. Let us see how do we split data in machine learning. Data in machine learning is splitted into three forms: training the data, validating the data, and testing the data. Let us see what do you mean by training the data. As we already know, machine learning, each model should be trained well, then validated, then it will be tested for real application. Let us see what is the meaning of training data. The part of the data we use to train our machine learning model is nothing but training the data. Here, the data that our model is actually going to see both input and output and also learn from. Validation data. We already know, I already said there are three steps will be there. First one is training, then testing, training, validating, then testing. Next one is validating the data. The part of the data that is used to do a frequent evaluation of the model fit on the training data set along with the improving inward hyperparameters. This data plays its part when the model is actually training. Next one is testing the data. This is the third part. This is the actual part where we are going to test whether the prepared machine learning model is performing well or not. Testing the data means our model is completely trained. Testing data model provides an unbiased evaluation. When we feed in the inputs of testing data, our model will predict some values what is without seeing the actual output. After prediction, we evaluate our model by comparing it with actual output present in the testing data. Then we will evaluate and see how much our model has been learned from the experiences feed in as training data set the time of training. Let us see the different forms of data. First one, numeric data, categorical data, and ordinal data. In the name only we have numeric data is nothing but the data which consists of numbers. That is nothing but numeric data. Next one is categorical data. The categorical data, it is nothing but an attribute that can take one of the limited and usually fixed number of possible values on the basis of some qualitative property. The categorical data is also called as a nominal feature. Last one is ordinal data. The data that is present in the form of ordered list. For example, if we go to any shopping mall or a dress clothing shop, we will see the dresses that are arranged in a small size, medium size, large size, double XL, like that. We are going to see the data that are arranged in an order form. That is nothing but an ordinal data. Let us see the types of machine learning. This is one of the important topic of machine learning, that is the types of machine learning. There are three types of machine learnings are there: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, it is nothing but the data where we are going to train the machine learning model will be labeled format. That is nothing but supervised learning. Unsupervised learning is nothing but the data which we are going to give to train the model should be unlabeled. Means that there should not be any names for the data which we are going to train the machine learning model. Last one is reinforcement learning. This is in this an agent will be there. The training, the agent is going to train based on the inputs we are giving. That major aim of this is this involves the training an agent to make the decision in an environment where it receives the feedback through reward or punishments. The algorithm uses this feedback to learn the best strategy for maximizing rewards over time. This reinforcement learning is based on the feedback. Next one is features of machine learning. There are so many features of machine learnings are there. Some of them are predictive modeling. Using this predictive machine learning model, we are going to predict the forecast future events. This model can be used to determine the risk of the loan default or a likelihood that the customer would make the purchase among the other things. Next one is automation. The machine learning algorithms automate the process of finding the patterns in data, requiring less human involvement and enabling more precise and effective analysis, because it is going to the machine learning is going to imitate the human brain. Next one is scalability. The machine learning techniques as well suited for processing big data because they made to handle massive amount of data. As a result, the business can make decision based on information gleaned from such data. Next one is generalization. The algorithms or machine learnings are capable of discovering broad patterns in data that can be used to analyze the fresh, unexplored data, even though the data used to train the model may not be immediately applicable to the task at hand. They are also useful for forecasting the future events and also used to find the patterns of the data. Next one is adaptiveness. As new data becomes available, machine learning algorithms are built to learn and adapt continuously. As a result, they can enhance their performance and accuracy over that time, becoming more precise and efficient as more data is made available to them. Next one, very important concept, that is the roles of a machine learning engineer. There are many roles of the machine learning engineer can play, but major five key roles of a machine learning engineer are data preparation, model development, data engineering, model deployment and maintenance, and performance optimization. These are the major roles of machine learning engineer. Next one, we can see the differences between AI and ML. We already know the artificial intelligence and the machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and also the deep learning is also a subset of an artificial intelligence. Let us see few of the differences between the artificial intelligence and machine learning. The artificial intelligence is the ability for a machine to mimic the human behavior, but the machine learning, it is a subset of artificial intelligence. It is going to imitate the human brain. Next one, the artificial intelligence goal is to increase the likelihood of the success rather than the accuracy, but the machine learning goal is to improve the accuracy but not an unconcerned about the success. Next one, the artificial intelligence uh, aspires to create the intelligent problem capable of performing a wide range of complex tasks. The machine learning is used to build an mechanism in that case only perform the task in which they have been trained. The artificial intelligence is designed to active the differences between artificial intelligence and machine learning. The artificial intelligence is the ability for a machines to mimic human behavior. But the machine learning, the mechanisms that learn from the past data without having to be explicitly programmed. The artificial intelligence goal is to increase the likelihood of success rather than accuracy, but the machine learning mainly focus on accuracy rather than the success. The artificial intelligence aspires to create an intelligent system capable of performing a wide range of complex tasks. The machine learning seeks to build machines that can perform the tasks for which they have been trained. The artificial intelligence is designed to solve complex problems, but the machine learning is used to solve only a specific type of problems which they have been trained. And the wide range of applications is possible in artificial intelligence. Only a limited scope of applications will be used in machine learning. The artificial intelligence can be classified into three broad categories, such as capabilities, namely artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. But the machine learning is classified into supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The applications of artificial intelligence are chatbots and online gaming, etc. Next one, the applications of machine learning include recommendation system, Google search, algorithms, Facebook, auto friend, tagging, suggestions, and so on. Next one is applications of machine learning. In the applications of machine learning, we have various applications in machine learning, such as image recognition, speech recognition, recommended system, fraud detection, self driving cars, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, virtual try on, dependency of and data quality, so on. Still more applications will be there. I have added only few applications of machine learning. Thank you.